How to create poll on YouTube. Creating poll on YouTube is quite easy and simple, and if you are searching for creation of poll on YouTube, then this video is for you. So, if you want to ask your followers on YouTube what they want and what specific answer you want to get from your followers, then you can easily create poll on YouTube or your community post also you can upload on YouTube. For that, you need to open YouTube app, then make sure that you have logged in on your YouTube account and then go to profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select view channel at the top of the screen, which is underneath the username of your channel. And then you can simply tap on community, which is next to sorts. Once you are here, you need to tap on post and update to your fans. Then here you can easily find out the poll icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and you can post an update to your friends, or else here is the add poll option. You can either add the image or you can also add text, that depends upon you. So let's ask our community, and you can easily add the options as well. Once done, you can also add more option by tapping on add option, and after that you can see the expiration time as well by tapping on the top right corner icon, and here you can say 24 hours, or if you wish to say it none, you can select it. Then after that, after customizing everything, you can tap on the post at the top right corner, and easily your poll will be created on YouTube and your followers will also respond to it. So that's how we create poll on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial updates.